My family loves white sneakers, and I am always battling dirt and grime and stains on the soles. So I was thrilled when SneakERASERS sent me their sneaker cleaners. Let's put these to the test. Now we'll start with one of my son's shoes. Definitely a lot of grime and buildup along the sides and over the top. And these really are super simple to use. You just use water, scrub with the white side, wipe away with the orange side. The orange side feels almost like a soft felt, and the white side is definitely that melanin sponge. Oh, let's see how it works. Just gonna use some water here. And it says don't even have to scrub hard. Oh wow. It took that right out. That was pretty much instant on this part. You can see how much whiter that is than the rest of it. Let me do a little more scrubbing here. That is less than a minute of scrubbing, and the difference is extraordinary. That worked so well. So let me see what I can do with this sole. The sole definitely does some more damage on the sponge. I'll try to be gentle. That is a world of difference with just a minute of scrubbing. I am super impressed. Now I want to tack these scrapes on my veggies. This one I probably can't get completely, and I doubt I can do much with the yellowing on this front, but let's see what's possible. Same sponge, you can see I've worn it out, but this will still last for mini shoes. That came up almost instantly, but you can see where I actually scuffed the leather, and that's not going to come out, but still, that was instant. Now let me see if I can do anything with this. I'm not expecting to, but let's just see what's possible. It's not lightening up the yellowing, but is taking off any dirt and grime that I've collected around the sides. So they pretty much look like new with no effort at all. Now the difference between the clean sneakers to the dirty sneakers are definitely more obvious with my son's sneakers, but how easily I was able to clean both of these was shocking. I am so impressed. I am definitely gonna throw the laces in the washer, and these shoes are gonna look so much better thanks to SneakERASERS. Really impressive, super simple to use.